Good morning, students. Have a nice day. I am your maths teacher. Today we see chapter 3 algebra on the topic of identities. First we see the formula. A plus b whole square equivalent to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equivalent to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equivalent to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x minus b equivalent to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. First we see example 3.8. By using the formula a plus b whole square, find the value of 3a plus 4c whole square by using a plus b whole square identity. So the formula is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we find the value of 3a plus 4c whole square. Here a equal to 3a and b equal to 4c, then a square 3a square plus 2ab 2 into 3a into 4c plus b square 4c square, then 3 square into a square plus 2 into 3 into 4 into ac plus 4 square c square. So 3 square is 9 and a square plus 2 into 3 into 4 is 24 ac plus 4 square is 16 c square. So the final value is 3a plus 4c whole square equal to 9a square plus 24 ac plus 16 c square. Next example 3.9. Find the value of 998 whole square by using a minus b whole square identity. Here we are using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 998 equal to 1000 minus 2. So we can write 998 as 1000 minus 2. 998 whole square equal to 1000 minus 2 whole square. Then a square 1000 square minus 2ab 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. So 1000 into 1000, 1000 into 1000, 10 lakhs minus 2 into 2 into 1000, 4000 plus 2 square 4. So first we add this 10 lakhs plus 4. Here 10 lakhs 4 and subtract 4000. We get 9,96,004. So this is the final answer. 998 equal to 9,96,004. This is the answer for this 998 whole square. Next example 3.10. Simplify 3x plus 5y minus into 3x minus 5y by using a plus b into a minus b identity. Solution. Here we are using a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square identity. A plus b here 3x plus 5y, a minus b here 3x minus 5y. So a equal to 3x, b equal to 5y. 3x plus 5y into 3x minus 5y equal to a square minus b square. A is 3x, so 3x whole square minus 5y whole square. Here 3 square into again x square minus 5 square into y square. 3 square is 9, x square, 5 square is 25, y square. So final answer is 3x plus 5y into 3x minus 5y equal to 9x square minus 25y square. Example 3.11 expand y square minus 16 by using a square minus b square identity. So here we using the same formula as a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we using a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. For the sum is like that. So y square minus 16, a square is here y square, b square is 16. So we can written as 16 as 4 square. So y square minus 4 square, a plus b into a minus b, a is y, b is 4, so y plus 4 into y minus 4. So y square minus 16 equal to y plus 4 into y minus 4. So finally, example 3.12, simplify 5x plus 3 into 5x plus 4 by using x plus a into x plus b identity. So the formula is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus ab into x plus ab. Here x equal to 5x, x equal to 5x, a equal to 3, b equal to 4. 5x plus 3 into 5x plus 4 equal to x square 5x square plus a plus b 3 plus 4 into x is 5x plus ab 3 into 4. So 5 square into x square 3 plus 4 7 into 5x plus 3 4s are 12. 5 square is 25 x square 7 5s are 35x plus 12. So the final answer is 5x plus 3 into 5x plus 4 equal to 25x square plus 35x plus 12 is the final answer. So far we have seen that 4 identities a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square for one example. Then a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Another example, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity we have seen 2 examples, and finally x plus a into x minus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So go through it clearly, clear your doubts. We will see in the next class. Thank you, students.